right, the video everybody have been waiting for, which is automating the mini polyester washing machine from a Flutter app. First of all, we connect to the washing machine. We find one. Connected. Let's wash for about 5 seconds. So you hold it down. That is counterclockwise first, clockwise first, second. That will make 1 second. Counterclockwise, clockwise, make 2 seconds, like that. And the other way, 3 seconds. The other way, 4 seconds. We are going to the last one. The other way, it makes 5 seconds, and we are done. So we can configure. Let's do some configuration here. I want the pause to remain at 2, then the counterclockwise time to be 2 seconds, and the clockwise time to be 2 seconds. We're going to come here and start. See, that's 1 second. Two seconds. 3 seconds. 4 seconds. 5 seconds. So I'm going to make a detailed video of how everything works together. So how does this work? We have 3 main components powering this system. The heart of the whole component is this ESP32 that is equipped with Bluetooth Low Energy and other wireless protocol. But here we are using the Bluetooth Low Energy. So the app is built in Flutter. It connects to the ESP32 over the Bluetooth Low Energy system. So let's head over to the circuit diagram and explain better how it works. So this is how it works. From the washing machine control, we have 3 cables, 3 wires coming out. We have common, counterclockwise, and clockwise. The common, whenever it switches, like you just use the common wire to touch the counterclockwise, the clockwise, the motor spin clockwise, and when the common wire touches the counterclockwise, the motor spin counterclockwise. So this manual touching of clockwise and counterclockwise is what we are doing with the 2-channel relay. So what we are doing here is this. You can see we have this clockwise connected to normally open, and the counterclockwise connected to, okay, it should be on the normally open too. So it will be on the normally open later. That's how it's done here on the actual circuit. So then we have the common connected to both common of the relay. So it just switches whenever we provide signal from the ESP32. So the power for the washing machine is, the power for this whole circuit is coming from the washing machine itself, which is the 220 volt powering the washing machine. It's being fed into this module here. It takes 220 volt and gives out 5 volts. So it's distributed to power the ESP32 and also the relay. So the trigger pins for this relay module is coming from pin 4 and 2. So whenever the ESP32 receives signal to switch either clockwise or counterclockwise from the app, it just forward the signal to any of these N1 or N2 that will in turn switch common to clockwise and counterclockwise. That is all with the circuit. So this is it here. We have the ESP32, the signals coming to in1 and in2, and the power, the 5 volt that is supposed to power both of them. This is it. So we'll just head over to the washing machine and activate and install it. The third component there, which is this AC to DC module, 220 volt to 5 volt module, it's already installed in the washing machine. I won't be able to show you now. I just brought this out to do some explanation. Alright, so let's try it again. Now it's at 0. Let's try to wash for just let's say 10 circles. So I'm just going to hold it down. So you're going to start washing. So after every circle it counts up like this. After every circle, first it counts to 3, clockwise, counterclockwise it counts 4, clockwise, counterclockwise it counts 5.